Understanding present perfect tense versus simple past tense. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to today's video, where we will delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus today is the present perfect tense and the simple past tense, specifically comparing and contrasting their uses. By the end of this video, you'll be able to distinguish between these two tenses and use them correctly in your daily English conversations. The present perfect tense is a tense that relates the past to the present in some way. It's formed using the auxiliary verb have or has for third-person singular, plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, I have eaten breakfast. She has finished her homework. It is often used for actions completed in the recent past, but which have a connection to the present. For instance, if you say, I have read that book, it implies that the action of reading happened at an unspecified time before now and its effect is still relevant. The simple past tense, on the other hand, is used to describe actions that occurred and were completed at a specific time in the past. There's no link to the present. It is formed simply by using the past form of the verb. Examples include, I ate breakfast. She finished her homework. In these examples, it is understood that the actions took place at a specific point in the past. Now that we know what each of these tenses does, let's look at them side by side. I have lived in New York. Present perfect. I lived in New York. Simple past. The first sentence, in the present perfect tense, suggests that I might still be living in New York or there's some relevance to the present, like it's part of my experience. The second sentence, in the simple past tense, indicates that I lived there but I don't anymore. Let's examine more examples to illustrate the differences. 1. Present perfect. They have visited Paris. Simple past. They visited Paris. The present perfect tense implies that the experience of visiting Paris is still relevant or recent, perhaps they've just come back. The simple past tense simply states that at some point in the past, they visited Paris. 2. Present perfect. She has lost her keys. Simple past. She lost her keys. The present perfect tense could suggest that she lost her keys recently and hasn't found them yet, affecting the present situation. The simple past tense might be used when recounting events, like telling a story from the past when she lost her keys. That's it for today's video on the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. These are subtle differences, but they can greatly affect the meaning of your sentences. So, keep practicing and you'll become more comfortable with these tenses. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here with you every step of the way. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.